students, good morning. How are you all? I think you all are well. I am also fine. You know, I am Joydev Kumar Pal, assistant teacher, Kadirkhula Secondary School. You already known your class routine. So, I would like to conduct with you your English first paper. I think you all are ready to attend my class, and I think you all will be attentive to my class. You know, in your syllabus, English first paper, a scene comprehension will be set. You must read it carefully and you have to answer two kinds of questions. Number one, multiple choice question, and number two, open-ended question. You know, in your multiple choice question, there are some alternative options. You have to choose the correct one from the options, and in your open-ended question, you have to answer the questions in your own way. Okay. So, now I will start my class, and my class topic is Scene Comprehension, Unit 3, Lesson 2. I think you all have your textbook. Please open at page 34. In our textbook, in this textbook, you have to find a scene comprehension, Unit 3, Lesson 2, May Day. Okay. Dear students, before starting our class, I would like to discuss with you some vocabs. There are a lot of vocabs in this scene comprehension, but in those words, I have written some vocabs here. You all follow it or read it. When I read the scene comprehension, it will be very fruitful for you. Okay. Now I am reading these vocabs. Commemorate, স্মৃতি চারণ করা, establish, প্রতিষ্ঠা করা, exploit, শোষণ করা, observe, উদযাপন করা, rally, সমাবেশ, revolution, বিপ্লব, sacrifice, ত্যাগ, striker, ধর্মঘটি, প্রেরণা দেওয়া। ওকে, dear students, I think you all see a picture here. Though the picture is very little, but I think you have your own book, so there is no problem to understand you this picture. Here, listen to May Day, look at the picture and talk about it. The students, May Day, in this picture about May Day. I think you all see the picture and you all just gaze about the picture and you have to give the questions answer. What do you see in the picture? And then can you relate any historical event to this picture? What happened on this day? Okay. You have to just gaze the picture and try to understand about it. And then you have to give the answers of the questions. Okay. I, of course, assist you to give the answers. Okay. Now, dear students, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Can you guess? I think you all understand it. If I write it on the board, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? পিকচারটা ছবিটা বিষয়ে কি মানে কি বোঝাতে যাচ্ছে এরকম যদি আসে তাহলে কি বলা যায় যে যে জাস্ট দ্য সিগনিফিক্যান্স অফ মে ডে। তাহলে আমরা যদি সাজা লিখি হোয়াট ডু ইউ সি ইন দ্য পিকচার, তা আই সি ইন দ্য পিকচার, আমি যদি এইভাবে লিখি আই সি ইন দ্য পিকচার হট, জাস্ট উত্তরটা এরকমই আসবে যে ফোকাসিং দ্য সিগনিফিক্যান্স অফ মে ডে। I see in the picture focusing the significance of May Day. যার অর্থ ছবিতে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি ফোকাসিং দ্য সিগনিফিক্যান্স অফ মে ডে, মে ডের যে তাৎপর্য, you all know the significance of May Day. May Day is our memorable day, I think. Then, before the Industrial Revolution, the workers have to work long shifts, lasting up to 14 hours. They have no rights. They have to work in order of their bosses. So when I read the scene comprehension, you will understand it clearly. Just I describe it in short or in brief in front of you. You know, May Day is a significance day for the working people. When the working people striked against the decision of the bosses, of their bosses, they strike and then a lot of workers were died or they are killed, তাদেরকে মেরে ফেলা হয়েছিল। The police opened fire on the strikers. From then, all the workers today enjoy a minimum wage, a minimum working time. Okay. Now, second one, can you relate any historical event to this picture? যে প্রশ্নটা দ্বিতীয় যে প্রশ্নটা আছে যে ক্যান ইউ রিলেট এনি হিস্টোরিক্যাল ইভেন্ট টু দিস পিকচার, এই ছবি থেকে কি তুমি কোনো ঐতিহাসিক কোনো ঘটনার কোনো কিছু দেখতে পাও? তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই আমি জানি হয়তো বা নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা বলবে যে ইয়েস। তাহলে আমরা যদি এরকম লিখি ইয়েস দ্য পিকচার রিলেট, আমি সংক্ষিপ্ত লিখতেছি ইয়েস দ্য পিকচার রিলেট to the historical struggle. historical struggle. Then what happened on this day? ওই দিনে কি ঘটেছিল? What happened? তো ওই দিনে আমরা জানি যে some working people were killed by the police. তাই না? Sacrifices of the working people to establish their minimum rights. তাদের ন্যূনতম অধিকার রক্ষার জন্য তারা তাদের জীবন দান করল। ওই দিনের ঘটনাটা এরকমই ছিল। ওকে, নাও the students, I will read this scene comprehension, then you have to give the answers of the questions. Now I am reading the scene comprehension. Okay, May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1 all over the world. Today, to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people. To establish an 8-hour day, যে কথাটা আগে বলছিলাম, to establish an 8-hour work day, 8 ঘন্টা কাজের দাবিতে. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. That I have already described. 14 hours or even more hours a day. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour work day. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvester Machine Company, and about 6,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded and many others were injured. The events of May 1, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. The students, I think you all will be attentive here. I just finished my reading. Now you have to give these 4 questions. You have to give the answers of these 4 questions. Okay. Number 1, what does May Day refer to? You all see in your textbook, what does May Day refer to? Okay. Now I just help you to give the answer of the questions clearly. Okay. I think you all will write these vocabs on your notebook. At first, you all write these vocabs on your notebook. Now, I just write the answers. Okay. Number 1, here you can see number 1, what does May Day refer to? May Day bolte ki bozo? May Day bolte ki bujhay? তাহলে আমাদের উত্তরটা কেমন আসবে? আমরা যদি প্রথমেই দেখি, we can see the first para, May Day is a May Day or International Day is observed on May 1 all over the world today to commemorate. Mainly, here is the answer. May Day is a commemorate স্মরণ করতে, তাই তো? তাহলে আমরা যদি এমনভাবে লিখি যে May Day is a commemoration of the historical struggle. Number 1, time. May Day is a commemoration. স্মৃতিচারণ, commemoration